where have I been? Let's just say, if this YouTube channel were a patient, it would have been declared clinically flatlined. But fear not, because just when you think it's all over, out of the ashes of procrastination rises a new project! A slightly rattly, thoroughly uninspiring, very purple phoenix named Rhubarb. G'day, I'm Ben. Welcome back to the Daily Commute, or as I like to call it, cost-effective cloud storage. A place where I can dump my footage of bikes, builds, questionable decisions, because inherently I'm going to forget. Anyway, let me introduce you to Rhubarb. So here it is, a 1998 Yamaha Virago XV250. Factory fresh stats look something like this. 21 horses stampeding out of a 249cc V-twin with a dry weight of 137 kilo, about the same as a double bed in some regret, and a top speed of maybe downhill with a tailwind. It's cruiser style, chrome for days, and enough 90s charm to host its own late night infomercial.
The Yamaha Virago gives you a V-twin engine, monoshock suspension, shaft drive, and the satisfaction of knowing that while the others are off following the crowd, you're not.
But Rhubarb isn't here to remain stock. Oh no, that'd be far too sensible. By the time we're done, none of these factory stats will matter. It will be lighter, louder, weirder, and hopefully, legally, questionably, only in spirit. Anyway, welcome to Project Rhubarb. So, on that note, buckle up. Or don't, because it's a motorcycle. Because Project Rhubarb is about to begin. Kind of already has started. The teardown anyway. But it's a long road ahead. And yeah, I think you're going to enjoy it. And if you don't, I will come to your house and I will find you and I will make you watch every single video I've ever made, and then you might understand. Anyway, technically its name is Rhubarb Custard or Rhubarb Pudding, but Rhubarb for short. So join me here on the bestest, freest cloud storage that you have ever seen, right here on my YouTube channel, The Daily Commute. Click the bell, click the subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see you very shortly. Let's roll that intro, which is going to be an outro. Catch you on the next one. Bye. What am I doing with my hands here?